Hi guys. Today we are going to start our new journey called as technical videos. As we know very well, we have started newly one YouTube channel just 2 3 weeks back, Prabharan Hadu. So now we are planning to upload some of the technical videos on the channel. So technical in the sense we have selected a topic called as a Java. So we know very well in software industry, more demanding programming languages nowadays Java. At the same time, Java is keep on growing. That is the reason now we are focusing only the Java programming language. Mainly we are focusing the students, those who are trying a job in the IT industry as a fresher. Okay. Yes, our journey is like this. So we are going to start from the Java called as very beginning core Java, and again advanced Java, third under advanced Java we will have some of the concepts called JDBC. What is that? JDBC, servlet, okay, servlet, JSP, okay, servlet JSP, and again Hibernate. What's that? Hibernate for struts, okay, struts, and fifth Spring, okay, Spring, sixth Spring Boot with micro service, okay, micro services. So these are all the concepts we are going to cover in various sessions with different series. Okay. Yes. Now the thing is, if you are learning all these 6 topics, definitely you will get job in the IT industry. So I'm sure you people will follow my videos step by step. So that will help you to get a job in the IT industry. Okay. Yes. Now we can start with core Java now. So before entering the topic into core Java, first we will see what do you mean by Java. Okay, we will see what do you mean by exactly Java. So Java is a high-level programming language. I think most of the engineering students will know about this definitions and all. What do you mean by programming language and all? So Java is a high-level programming language. We can say object-oriented programming language. What's that? Object-oriented programming language. Simply we can say OOPS. So what is that? OOPS stands for object-oriented programming language. Java is object-oriented programming language. When we are saying the particular language is object-oriented programming language, sometimes you will face this question in the interview when you are trying for the fresher. Okay, so OOPS stands for object-oriented programming language. Then what do you mean by programming language? Means polymorphism. Okay, polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, class and object. Any programming language will follow these 6 important topics called as object-oriented programming language. Okay, we will see the definition for each and every topic later, but anyhow at this stage you have to remember these points only. So object-oriented programming means any programming language will follow 6 important concepts called as polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, class and the object. Okay. Yes. Next, We know very well, if you want to develop any application, we need some software to develop our application. Along with the software, some operating system also required. Okay, in this case, in order to develop a Java application, we need one software called as JDK. What's that? JDK. What is that? JDK. So to develop a Java application, we need JDK. People will ask in interview, so what software we are going to use to develop a Java application? That is called as JDK. JDK stands for Java Developer Kit. What is that? Java Developer Kit. Kit in the sense, suppose if we have a car having a problem, then to operate or manipulate such kind of issues in the car, we should have a mechanical kit. In that kit, some tools is there. Using the tools, we can repair the car. Same way, to develop a Java application, we required JDK software. In the JDK software contains some of the tools. Okay, this also people will ask in interview, what are all the tools available in the JDK? So very basic tool is called as, what is that? Java compiler. Java compiler. Okay, Java compiler. Then Java JVM. What is that? JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine. And the Java P. Java P. P stands for profiler. Java profiler. Java profiler. Okay. Java profiler and jar. Okay. Jar. This stands for Java archive. What is that? Java archive. Java archive. So these are all the main tools we are going to use to develop a Java application. All these tools are available under one single software is called as JDK. What is that? JDK. Okay. Next, so where we are going to get this JDK? As we know, the initial owner of the Java language is Sun Microsystem. Earlier, that software will be available in the Sun Microsystem website. Now that is owned by Oracle Corporation. So we should download this software from the Oracle website. So can we download this Java software, this JDK, and install this in our machine? Yes, I'm going to show you the steps how to download and install the Java software in our machine to develop the Java application. Okay. Yes. Sun Microsystem. 1 second. Oracle. Okay, Oracle. I'm going to this Oracle website. In this website, I think this is in Tamil version Google. I'm going to change this into English version so that we can easily go into Oracle website and download. Okay, where this is the English. Okay, Oracle Corporation. Otherwise, we can say download JDK. Okay, if you hit this sentence and type in the Google, it will bring you to that download page. Just here see Java ACA download, and we click this. There is a link called as JDK download. I am clicking the JDK download. Here see, there are so many versions under this. So we are going to use JDK 8 version. There are so many versions. JDK 15. Now latest version may be JDK 15. For our training purpose, we are going to use JDK 8. Okay, I'm not able to see. Then we can try this way. Okay. Google.com JDK 1.8. I'm going to download specific JDK 1.8 version. Okay. Come on. Yes, this is the one. JDK 8. We have to download. My machine is Windows machine, so we have to download Windows version. This one you have to download. Okay, just I will download this. Downloading. Okay, I don't know, it will take some time to download. I think we need a Oracle account to download this application. If you have account, you have to log in. I have previously on a Oracle account, so I'm going to download my JDK using my Gmail account in the Oracle website. Okay, I think it will take some time to download. Okay, we'll wait for a few minutes. So maybe this series, so you people will get little bored, but I'm sure. So this is very first video for us. In future, you people will get more impressive on this. This is somewhat theoretical portion, but our main intention is not cover much more theoretical portion. Practical portion we are going to cover. But anyhow, unfortunately, this kind of theory we have to cover compulsory. Okay, that's why we are concentrating theory first. Okay. Download is completed. Okay, see, once click the download file, the exe file, it is asking us to confirmation to install the application. I'm going to install. Wait for a few minutes. It is okay. Click next. Next. It will take time, some time. So before that, we will check. See command prompt. Okay, this command prompt. In the command prompt, before installing Java, just type this command. See, it is asking during the installation. It is asking destination folder where we have to install the software. Okay, just it is taking by default location called as C program files Java JRE. I'm going to install in the same location. Yeah, see, this is a command prompt. If you type Java space version, this is a DOS operating system. This command prompt associated with the DOS operating system. When I'm typing Java space version, it is not recognizing even this command. Okay, this Java, it is saying not recognized internal or external software. So after installing our Java, let's see how this command is giving a response from the DOS operating system. Okay, yes, still it is. Yeah, I think installation is done. Now it is okay. Let me try. I think it will not say the proper information. Still it is showing error. The thing is, we need to set the class path of our application once installation is done. Now installation is done using JDK. Let me check whether it is installed properly or not in our C drive. Okay, C program files. See here, there is a Java installation folder. Here it is installed. Okay, now I'm going to take copy of this path. This is the path where our Java application is, JDK is installed. Okay. Before starting the program, so we have to set the class path for this. Okay. So how will you set the class path? Now go to the My Computer, right click, there is a properties. In this properties, there is advanced system settings. Here we have an environment variable. Here, see, already we have a Java home path. I have said that is JDK 1.11. So I'm going to modify this one with the JDK 1.8. Okay. Then we have to set the path. What is that path? Let me open path edit. JDK. This is a one, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set the path up to pin. Okay. This is the path. So Java home we have to set the on environment variable, then we have to set bin. That is a class path. Okay. Okay, now class path is done. Okay, this is the steps we have to follow. First, in order to develop a Java application, first we need to download the JDK software from Sun Microsystem. So this is the step. Okay. First, download JDK. So we are using version 8 from Oracle website. Okay, Oracle website. So if you want, I can paste the link. So where we have downloaded. I'm sorry, I have closed that. 1 second, let me. Oh, sorry. Google.com JDK download. This is the location where we have downloaded. Okay, this is the location we have downloaded. Okay, download JDK from Oracle website. Second, install that JDK software, then set the class path. What is that? Then the class path and the Java home. So this is three things we have to do to develop a Java application. Maybe this is also people will ask in interview. So you have to download the software and install the software and set the class path for the Java home. Now see, I'm going to close this command prompt. Okay. Now I'm going to open the command prompt once again, and I'll type Java version. Oh, I'm sorry, spelling mistake. Yeah, see, now we are able to see there is a version 1.8 is installed in our machine successfully. Okay. Now we are going to see very first one small Java program. Okay, very first one small Java program. Okay, so I told you to develop a Java application, we required some of the softwares. I told some of the tools. All the tools are available inside the JDK software. Now Java compiler is a very basic tool, then JVM, then Java profiler, and Java archive tool. So we can see this one step by step later, one by one. So what is the purpose of each tool? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to write the first Java program. First Java program I'm going to write. Okay. So this is very basic keyword, public class. Public class. We can say. Okay, first is class name. Okay, now before that I'm going to create one small folder inside my machine to store all our Java program. Okay, here see there is a folder called as Java. I'm going to create Java samples. Is a one small folder. I'm going to save my files under this folder. Okay, where it is d:, I think some of the people may get bored. No worries, I will make you more interest later. Okay, so this is initial initial session only. First .java. Okay, so I have saved this program with the. Okay, so whenever you are writing small class using Java program, that should start with public class and the name of the class. This is the Java keyword. This public and the class is a Java keywords. This is mandatory, and first is a name of the class. Name of the class is a first. So this is user defined name. You can give anything. Okay, first is a name of the class. This is the way we have to start the Java program. So very simple. So I told you some of the concepts under Java. There are 6 important concepts. So any programming language will follow these 6 concept is called as a object oriented program. One of the major concept in this is class. So how the class look like is like this only. So we should provide public. We will discuss this one later, why we are providing public, why we are providing class. This is the standard syntax. We cannot change this public and the class. This is system defined keywords. Okay, we don't have rights to make change of this. And the first is a name of the class. This we can change anything. This is user defined name. And better, we have to save this file using same class name. Now first is a name of the class name. You have to save this file with first.java. So whenever you are saving the file, so that file should ends with .java. Okay, so that should be ends with .java. Okay, like txt. Okay, exe file is there. Same way we have to save this Java programming with the keyword ends with .java. Okay, yes, this is very important. Then we have to write one method, public static void main. Okay, string arguments. Okay, inside this you have to close the brace. Okay, so this is the main syntax whenever you are writing any Java programming. Okay, yes, now inside this you have to write whatever you want. Suppose I want to display my name. Okay, I want to display my name. Then okay, I'm going to suppose I'm creating success, so I want to display the word called as success. Then we have to write the program like this. So we will see very in-depth later why we are writing like this: public, static, void, main, string, and this public, this class keywords and all. What is the purpose, why we are writing? But at this stage you have to remember, I want to display one string, then we have to follow this traditional approach: public, class, and first is a name of the class and open brace, close brace, and inside this is called as a method. What is that? This is called as a method. Public static void main is a method. Inside the method I have a okay, one system dot out dot println. There I have passed one string. Okay, this is ready now. This is one small hello world program. Okay, this is small program. So don't mistake me. Some of the people will get more bored. So definitely I will make more impression later. This is for very basic and for average students, and for the let's say Java for dummies. Okay, yes. Now what I'm going to do, see my Java, where I have saved this Java file, d::java samples. Okay, d::java samples first.java. Now I am going inside this. Just I am typing cmd. See where I am now. I am in the d::java samples. Here I told you very beginning, there are so many tools as part of JDK. Very first tool is called as a Java compiler. What is that? Java compiler. Okay. And before that, see here I have only the file called as first.java. What is that? First.java. Now I am going to write, sorry, type Java space first.java. Now see here, this is the way we have to compile our .java file. Okay, I will tell you this class file and everything later. But very first step, after writing any programming, otherwise any program, we have to compile that .java file into .class file. For that purpose, we are going to use this Java compiler tool. Let's say Java C stands for Java compiler. Java compiler main purpose is to compile, otherwise to convert .java file into .class file. This is very, very important. Sometimes during the fresher interview, people will ask what is the purpose of Java compiler. The Java compiler purpose is to convert to .java file into .class file. And again, one more important point here is, suppose see this, we know whenever we are writing new programming or anything, we should follow some syntax, otherwise rules and regulation which is specified by the programming language. For example, see here, I am once again I am compiling. I remove the semicolon. Okay, I remove the semicolon, and again, let's see. Now again I am making compilation. See now it is showing some error. So expected semicolon. Okay. Then additionally, I told you this compiler will convert .java file into .class file. At the same time, compiler will check during the conversion, is there any syntax error is there or not. If there is any syntax error, it will show that error during the compilation. That is the main purpose. The first thing is it will convert .java file into .class. During the time, it will verify the syntax. Syntax means it is very important whenever we are writing or any program, we should follow some of the rules and regulations which is provided by the particular programming language. We have to follow that standard. This is also one of the standard, one of the rules. Otherwise, we can say whatever program we are writing, whatever statements we are typing, each and every statement is ends with semicolon. We should follow that syntax during the Java programming creation. Okay. Yes. Now we are very well about what is the purpose of Java compiler. It will convert your .java file into .class file. So during that class conversion, your compiler will check is there any syntax error is there or not. If there is any syntax error, it will convert .java file. Sorry, it will show the error during the compilation. Okay. See now there is no error. Now I compile the .java file again. There is no error. Then this .class file will be created. Okay. Now you are very well about Java. What is the purpose of Java compiler? Next, one more tool I told you. What is the tool? JVM. What is that? JVM. Java Virtual Machine. So what is the purpose of Java Virtual Machine? The main purpose of Java Virtual Machine is to execute our .class file. What is that? To execute our .java file. See, I am going to execute. Whenever we are typing Java, it will execute your JVM, and see, I am giving the class name called as a first. This is the way you are going to execute the .class file. See, I'm hitting the enter button. Now got the output called as structures. Okay, this is the way we have to execute the .class file. Okay. Next, we will see what we can do is, now we are very well about what do you mean by compiler, what do you mean by JVM. Okay, Java compiler, the purpose is to convert .java file into .class file, and JVM, this is Java Virtual Machine. This purpose is to execute our .class file, and the third one is called as a Java profiler. So very simple profile in the sense, suppose we have some profile or CV. What is there in the CV or profile? There is information about a particular person. Suppose we are searching a job, sometimes we have to put some profile. In the profile contain the information about our details. The same way, Java profiler will show the information about the class. The Java profile, very rarely people will use in real time, but anyhow, there is a chance in interview people will ask this question also. The main purpose of Java profiler is will show the profile of the class. Okay, see, I'm going to execute the tool. Java P stands for profiler. I'm typing the okay first. Now see, I'm asking the profile of the class first which we have created. See what it is showing very clearly. It is showing the profile of the class. See, inside this there is a first, and again we have written one method called as what is that, public static void main. Okay, yes. See, now you people having a confusion. What is this public first? This is called as a constructor. This is very, very important. Most of the people, even real-time employees, also having little confusion about here. See this, I did not provide any constructor inside my class, but constructor is there as part of that class file. How? This is very, very important. People will ask in interview. So how this constructor will comes under the picture during the compilation, that we will see later one by one. Okay. That's all for the session today. So tomorrow we will continue some other interesting points in the Java programming. Okay. Thank you.